Hello everybody, welcome to more. Well, this is Jesse Circuit here, and welcome to more Satisfactory. And today I really would like to get some more progress on the base done. And I've moved a whole bunch of materials from our starter factory up here just to ease my abilities at making this episode, so at least I have everything I need all at one place. So let me get all our materials we need, and then we can get to work on building up the factory some more. Okay, so in the previous episode, you have seen me build iron smelting and copper smelting. And in this episode, I really would like to do concrete and steel production. And I've decided on, instead of expanding the platform, using more of this platform, I've decided on actually adding on another level. The whole point of this main base is easy future expansion. So we're gonna want to build with that in mind. And I guess you can tell I'm still getting used to using the building menu, or the hotbar. I feel like that's probably a good height for the second floor. No, I just gotta build this out, and I'll be back with you when I'm done. Okay, so second level is complete. And kind of want to put the concrete production about the same place as all the smelters are. You don't have to, and I'm just kind of OCD like that. Okay, so they're about here. So okay, so it's basically one constructor takes 45 limestone per minute to make 15 concrete per minute. If I do, let me just do some math off camera real quick. So roughly 5 constructors will use a single one of our Mark III conveyor belts. And in order to make around just about 80 concrete a minute. But I want to make, I'd like to make at least 240 per minute or close to that. Which would mean I would need around 720 limestone per minute. It should be a total of 3 conveyor belts. And while I was exploring, I managed to locate a couple of other, I think maybe another limestone node or two. Or if we really had to, we could overclock our Mark II miners to get perhaps up to 2 Mark III conveyors from a single miner, if we had to. But anyway, let's put the rest of this down, or set it up. So that's 6 constructors already. thinking of perhaps adding another level of these, just so you don't have to use up a ton of horizontal space. And I also actually built like a ramp upwards even more to just see how much height we have left until the build limits. And I believe actually above that mountain actually is that's right in front of me is perhaps the build limit. So we have a little bit more to go, but not a terrible huge amount. But we could also go downward if we needed to. And I do not have the stairs unlocked from the awesome shop just yet, so for now we're gonna be doing our like walkways from one level to the next just using these ramps. Okay, now I just have to run conveyor belts, that's all of this. So I just need to extend the foundation a bit more and then we can get started on that. Okay, so I spent probably a better part of an hour kind of researching online about kind of different balancer setups, but I've kind of eventually decided on just going with the overflow method because I'm not that great with math, and this method actually will work fine, but just this machine will fill up first, then this one, then this one. And but so much as your belts can handle what all the constructors or smelters or whatever you're supplying with this will consume, then that'll work fine. But just keep in mind this is kind of an unbalanced. This system won't balance anything out. And I went with 6 constructors. But one of them I'm going to underclock. Like, I don't know by how much, but say about 60% or so. So I said I'm underclocked by about this amount. So I had to use a bit of math off camera. And we're going to use the same method for this level. I think we don't actually quite have enough conveyors in our main bus yet to hook these up, so I think now I'm going to, I guess I'll do the output side of these, and then we'll do coal production next. Okay, so I'll do some more math off camera. So just to fill one belt, we're going to need about 5 and 5.3 of foundries. So I think we're going to build 6 and then have one of them underclocked. And I need more materials. Be right back. We're going to set this up basically the same as what we did at the steel outpost, but on a larger scale. And I've been recording for a while now, and although a lot of the footage, probably half of it or 3/4 of it, I may be cutting out because it was just me not doing anything while trying to figure out how I should do these frickin' concrete makers. But anyway, uh, this has been me, Dusty Circuit. Hope, even if this is a bit of a short episode, I hope you still liked it. And remember to rate, comment, like, and subscribe. And hopefully, by the next couple of episodes, we'll actually have a functioning mega base, or at least beginnings of one. And I'm probably going to do a lot of off-camera work to at least get the conveyors hooked up. Although I might do some of the more interesting bits on camera. But anyway, stay tuned for more Satisfactory and more content on my channel, and peace out.